How to get a refund for Mint Premium. First of all, open your browser and go to the Mint website. Then log into your account using your email and password. Next, click on Settings from the left sidebar. After that, scroll down to the subscription section where you can see your current Mint Premium plan details. Then, click on the Manage Subscription button. This will take you to the subscription management page where you can view your billing information and options. Now, look for the Cancel Subscription link or button and click on it. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of your Mint Premium subscription. Keep in mind that Mint's refund policy generally allows refunds within a certain period after purchase, so make sure to request a refund as soon as possible. If you don't see an option to request a refund directly, the best way is to contact Mint's customer support through their help center on the website. You can submit a refund request explaining your reason. Be sure to check your email for any confirmation or further instruction after submitting the refund request. Finally, if your refund is approved, the money will be returned to the original payment method within a few business days depending on your bank or payment provider. And that's it. Now you know how to get a refund for Mint Premium. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.